How to lock Google Sheets. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can lock Google Sheets. To lock your Google Sheets, first of all you need to open your Chrome and make sure you're logged into your Google account here. Once logged in, you will land on this page. At the top right, you'll be able to see this 9 dot icon that says Google Apps. Click on this Google Apps icon. And from this drop down, you will need to scroll down to find Sheets option. Once you find the Sheets option, now click on it to open it. Once you open the Google Sheets, here tap on this plus button that says blank spreadsheet. And once you click on it, you'll be able to open a sheet here. Now if you want to lock this Google Sheet, then here you will need to right click on the sheet option at the bottom left. And from the drop down, you'll be able to see the option Protect Sheet. Go ahead and click on this Protect Sheet option from this menu. And by doing so, at the right side, you will be able to see this window. Here you can choose whether you want to lock the specific range or the entire sheet. Once you have selected it, now you can click on Set Permissions. Click on this Add a Sheet or Range, and then a pop-up will appear here. Here you'll be able to choose from these options. If you only want to show a warning when editing this range, you can select this first option. But if you want to restrict who can edit this range, then you will need to select the second option, and from the selected option, click on it, and from the drop down, here select the preferred option. Once doing that, click on this Done button at the right side, and after that, the changes will be saved, and when you look at the bottom left, you will be able to see the sheet has been locked now. You will see this locked icon right ahead of the name of the sheet. So by following these steps, you should be able to lock your Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.